Ready to turn that Apple gift card into a Pokemon Go power-up. First, carefully scratch off the protective layer on the back of your Apple gift card to reveal the redemption code. Make sure not to damage the code itself. Next, locate and tap the App Store icon on your iPhone. It's the blue icon with the stylized A. Once you're in the App Store, look for your profile icon, usually a picture or an avatar, in the top right corner of the screen and tap it. On your account screen, you'll find options like purchased, subscriptions, etc. Scroll down until you see redeem gift card or code and tap on it. Here, you have two choices. You can manually enter the code or tap the use camera option to scan the code from your gift card. Scanning is usually faster and more accurate. Follow the prompts on screen. If you're using the camera, once the code is accepted, you'll see a confirmation message, and your Apple account balance will be updated with the gift card amount. Now, let's head over to Pokemon Go. Find the Pokemon Go app on your home screen and tap to launch it. In Pokemon Go, tap the Pokeball icon at the bottom of the screen to open the main menu. From the main menu, select Shop. It's the icon that looks like a shopping bag. In the shop, you'll see various items and PokeCoin bundles available for purchase. Choose the PokeCoin bundle that you want. A prompt from Apple will appear, confirming the purchase and showing your Apple account balance. Confirm the purchase using Touch ID, Face ID, or your Apple ID password. Congratulations! Your PokeCoins are now added to your in-game wallet, and you can use them to buy items, raid passes, or anything else you need to become the ultimate Pokemon trainer. So redeem that Apple gift card, get your PokeCoins, enhance your gameplay, and catch 'em all.